Hi, welcome to my grocery haul. I used to hate grocery shopping until I found Trader Joe's, so like, character development.
What?
Should I get everything bagels?
Yes. Have you had them before?
Not from here.
Oh.
I heard their seasoning is the best.
Oh wait, I wanted to try that.
Yeah, I've heard this is good, but I also prefer oat milk, so I don't know which one to get. Should I try this or should I just go with oat milk?
You should try that.
But I'm also out of oat milk completely.
Okay, get oat milk.
I feel like I should just get it because I like it. It's so good. I love this and it's only like $2.
Oh my gosh, I accidentally bought 3 of those.
How do you accidentally buy 3?
Because I ordered one online, but it was like a pack of like 2 more.
Out. They're all pushed to the back. That looks good.
That does look good.
I also heard that's good. I think this is like a knockoff from color. I'm gonna try it. No, I don't need it. It's not healthy. This is my favorite granola right here out of this. Oh, thank you.
Have you ever had mochi?
No, but I want to try it.
I love it.
These are really good.
Approved by Colleen.
Should I try this?
Yes.
That's good.
Colleen is actually vegetarian.
Fun fact. I've tried a lot of the pieces.
Yes. I'm not a good influence. I'm like yes for everything.
I took you grocery shopping with me, so you can tell me yes. Okay, that looks good. I think that looks better.
Yeah, I get that.
But that looks really good.
That one does look good.
Which one looks best?
That one. Yeah.
I already ordered it. I like this. So I'm gonna try that. It looks like you can drink it though. So much money. Okay, so should I try to get something for sandwiches or should I try the beefless ground beef?
You should try the beefless ground beef. Are you gonna review all of these?
Yeah.
Good.
But I also make sandwiches sometimes.
Okay.
But also that kind of looks nasty. In a weird
Hickory
way.
smoked.
What is this?
Focused. It's focused.
I don't know. I'm really curious. So I'm just gonna give these to you straight curious. Okay, the thing I wanted to try juice, so we got chia seeds. It's literally just strawberry with apple juice and chia seeds. Oh, this is Sarah. She was my grocery shopping buddy.
I'm Sarah.
I think I should shake it better. I took a chance. It was either this or the ginger shot, and I don't think it. Okay, wait, try it together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's actually really good.
It tastes like very natural and organic.
It's on my pants.
How much
now.
was it?
It was like $3.
Oh.
That's not bad for a smoothie, but like, I can buy a ton of fruit
True.
for like $3.
I know. This tastes like me trying to make my own smoothie.
First thing I got, you saw me try this. This is actually really good. Warning, the chia seeds get stuck in my throat and then I cough. It's really good, and I'm assuming it's healthy because it only has the fruit and chia seeds in it. Next, okay, one of the first things I picked up, just this oat beverage, oat milk. I'm out of the other oat milk I used. Okay, someone had to take a conference call, so change of locations back to the room with the lighting that I hate, but the room with the lighting that I like is always loud. oat milk, oat beverage. I'm not in love with the one that I tried last time, so I thought I'd try a different one. We'll see if I like this one. Meatless breakfast patties. I thought that sounded fun. I thought maybe it would make me eat better breakfast and actually eat breakfast all day. Let me know if you guys want a review on all of this stuff later. Granola. This is my favorite granola I've ever had. It's the almond butter granola, and I love eating it with this. It's the non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt. Great combination, best combination. And then bagels. I got the everything bagels. These look really good. They smell really good. Excited to try those. And then I got this shit. Look at it. I'm so excited. Everyone talks about it all the time. So I'm really excited to try it because, as you can tell, I like it. I like everything bagels, so I figured I'd like the everything seasoning. Very excited for this little bottle of stuff. Margarita Pizza. There's a lot of good looking options, so I'm probably going to try all of them before I decide if I have a favorite. But first I'm trying the Margarita Pizza. This salad dressing. I was going to try the Caesar salad dressing, but I'm actually allergic to Caesar. Like, I'm allergic to fish, shellfish, so I stay away from fish. And even though the Caesar dressing is vegan, it feels weird eating something that you normally can't. So I'm trying the Green Goddess one. It sounds really good. Excited for that. To go with that, I have some other vegetables from like a different store in my fridge, but I did not have any good lettuce. So I got this butter lettuce. Butter lettuce sounds really good. I'm excited to try this as a whole salad. Ooh, okay. Last time I got the macaroons, they had different flavors. This time they're all like holiday. 2 cappuccino, pear cinnamon, that sounds weird. 4 spice caramel, chocolate raspberry gingerbread, and chocolate peppermint. I'm so excited for chocolate peppermint. I really want to try those. Ooh. This looks so cute. They're really good. Why do I look like a bunny when I chew food? I want a whole pack of the chocolate peppermint. I put these in the freezer all the time because they're really good cold. I had to. They look kind of nasty, but I had to. Deli slices. We're gonna see how they taste. I'm excited for these because I really like sandwiches, but when I don't have a lot of vegetables, a cheese only sandwich is not a good option. So I can add these, make it more of a filling sandwich, and also get some protein in. If you can't tell, or if you don't know me, I am a vegetarian. So I don't eat any meat. I try my hardest to get my protein through other stuff, but I also don't always pay attention to it, so. Joe's O's. These are really good. They're just kind of like SpaghettiOs. But my favorite soup that I've tried from them is this. It's the organic lentil vegetable soup. Really good. Feeds 2 people usually with this little box, or I make it and then I put some in a container and then I have like more food later. Ooh, okay, every Trader Joe's haul I've seen has included these, so I had to. Cauliflower gnocchi. Gnocchi. I can't even speak English right, so I of course can't say foods that are Italian. Oh, you can microwave them? That's so easy. Okay, everyone rants and raves about these, so I had to try them. And then the last thing I got was this gnocchi with tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. Because if I didn't like the cauliflower gnocchi, I know that I would like this because I like tomato sauce. So I was excited to try this also. Now that's a few meals for me and some really good snacks that I will be eating at least a little bit healthier. I think it's the funniest like preconceived notion that like everything at Trader Joe's is healthy when it's definitely not, but like I feel so much healthier when I walk into there than when I walk into like a Kroger's. That's everything. Let me know if you want to do a taste test. Let me know your favorite Trader Joe's recommendations in the comments. I might try some more stuff later. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. I heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you lied. It ain't my fault.